you guys don't get too close, I'll take the mask off so that you can hear me a little more distinctly. I've had the opportunity now to speak with a number of my colleagues, actually on both sides of the aisle, reached my decision, and obviously communicated that this morning. So if you have any questions, happy to respond.
Senator, I mean, the party made a, back in 2016, the message was, let the voters decide. And that was 8 months before an election. We're less than 2 months before election. Why is it appropriate now, even in divided government, why is it appropriate now to not let the voters decide?
You know, I think at this stage it's appropriate to look at the Constitution and to look at the precedent which has existed since the beginning of our country's history. And in a circumstance where a nominee of a president is from a different party than the Senate, then more often than not, the Senate does not confirm. So the Garland decision was consistent with that. On the other hand, when there's a nominee of a party that is in the same party as the Senate, then typically they do confirm. So the Garland decision was consistent with that, and the decision to proceed now with the President Trump's nominee is also consistent with history. I came down on the side of the Constitution and precedent as I've studied it, and make the decision on that basis.
But if Biden wins, you'd be okay with a vote in a lame duck session if Biden wins?
I'm not going to get into the particulars of who wins and who doesn't. There are many possibilities that we could go through, but I've indicated that what I intend to do is to proceed with the consideration process, and if a nominee actually reaches the floor, that I will vote based upon the qualifications of that nominee.